Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika's class. Today we will learn about voiced and voiceless sounds. Before we jump deeper into the material, what do you know about voiced sounds? Now, let me tell you. So, basically, voiced and voiceless sounds are apart from speech sounds. So, the voice sound is about sounds that you produce from your throat. In voice sounds, there is also a vibration that you can feel in your throat. How could that be? Now, I want you to hold your neck with your hands, and after that, try to pronounce these examples of voiced sounds. Ready? B, j, v, g, d, z. Once again. B, j, v, g, d, z. How do you feel after pronouncing the letter? There must be a vibration that you can feel in your throat, right? So that's what is called voice sounds. Now, let's try again to pronounce these letters with the words provided here. Ready? B, bar, by, big, j, jump, joke, jeans, v, view, value, video, g, go, give, good, d, down, day, do, z, zoo, zero, zebra. After learning about the voice sounds, now we will learn about the second one, which is the voiceless sounds. So, what comes to your mind when you hear voiceless sounds? Great! Now I will tell you. Basically, in voiceless sounds, there is no voice and vibration in your throat. To make it simple, voiceless sounds are the opposite of voiced sounds. Now, let's put your hand on your neck and practice again. Let's pronounce this letter, and in the next slide there will be an example of the words. Ready? Ch, ch, p, s, sh, f, k. Once again. Ch, p, s, sh, f, k. Now let's try with the words provided here. Ch, chair, chat, cheese, p, put, pepper, price, s, sit, sun, set, share, show, shake, f, fly, forget, feel, kind, keep, kill. Do you feel the difference between the voice sounds? There's no vibration, right? So that's called voiceless sounds. So that's all about voiced and voiceless sounds. Now, to check your understanding, please click the quiz in the description box below. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.